Meaning of lily-white.
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 Lily-white. The term lily-white generally means pure, innocent, clean, or untarnished. It is often used to describe something or someone that is completely devoid of any blemish, stain, or impurity. The phrase has its origins in the white color of the lily flower, which has long been associated with purity and beauty. The term is often used in a figurative sense to describe people who are considered to be morally upright or beyond reproach. For example, you might say that a politician has a lily-white reputation if they are known for their honesty and integrity.